This song is called My Bird of Paradise. It is dedicated to our friend Brenda. What joys to be, what love I see in your smile, so full of sunshine and happy song. Just like a bird whose voice is heard in the trees, soft as the warm breeze that floats along. You are my bird of paradise. I see my heaven in your eyes. Each bird longs for its love mate. How can love wait when you smile? Your arms are wings of love. Your heart forever sings of love, calling your mate when your love cries. My bird of paradise. Your arms are little wings of love. Your heart forever sings of love. Call